Hello everyone, I am Tam, a first-year student pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Packaging Technology. Today, I am presenting my project on traditional packaging practices in Indian knowledge systems, based on the Arthashastra, Karaka Samhita, and Sushruta Samhita.
The Arthashastra explains how merchants used sealed containers, clay pots, wooden chests, and woven baskets to safely store and transport goods.
Official seals, called mudra, helped verify the authenticity of trade goods. During transportation,
the Charaka Samhita describes Vedic medicines in suitable containers such as clay vessels, sunlight contamination, helping preserve their quality.
Solis of surgical instruments and medicinal substances, recommending appropriate containers and careful handling to ensure safety and preservation.
Protection, preservation, they reflect the scientific knowledge of ancient India and the important role packaging played in everyday life. Thank you.